Hi, this is Pastor Tito and happy Thanksgiving. I have a question. Have you ever looked at something that you accomplished like promotion or finished project or a win or victory? And then you thought, I work hard for this. I earned this. It's easy to slip into the mindset that success is powered by our own strength. But Thanksgiving tells a different story. Thanksgiving reminds us that behind every good thing in our lives is not just effort, but grace. The ideas that we use, I believe God inspired them. The strength we woke up with, God supplied it. The opportunities that opened, well, I believe God orchestrated them. And the people who supported us and encouraged us, God sent them. Gratitude protects our hearts from pride because it puts the spotlight back where it belongs. And that is on God, not on us. A thankful spirit doesn't shrink our achievements. It simply recognizes the true source behind them. So when we stop and thank God, worship becomes natural. Humility becomes beautiful and joy becomes full. Everything we have is grace. None of it is entitlement. So as we celebrate Thanksgiving, let's redirect the credit and the glory back to Jesus. He's the giver of every gift, every breath, and every blessing. So before we say, I earned this, let's say, Jesus, thank you. Every good thing in my life is from you. So may our gratitude lead us to worship, and may our worship lead others to Jesus. God bless you and your family as you celebrate Thanksgiving. And I hope to see you in our worship service here in Every Nation Long Beach. See you soon.